Hi guys, welcome back. In the last video we created a blob storage output binding, and in this particular video we are going to focus on creating a queue storage output binding. So we will create we can use the same function, but let's create another function in there and let's give it a name. So we will like this whole concept will be the same. So we will make an HTTP request to it, and in the response to it we will get a function, like we will see data being pushed to the Azure queue storage. So we are still going to use the HTTP trigger, and for the function name we can give it a name like store push data, push to queue. So this is our function name. So we will keep the codes exactly the same, the whole concept is the same, but the different part would be the integration section. So we know the code of it, so like we can jump directly into the integration section. And we will give it queue storage binding, and let's click on add. So this output blob name, so let's call it queue storage. Just I think just queue would work, and let's give the out container, I can say push to queue, push to queue. And again we can create a text file. So I think I forgot to click the queue storage in there. Yeah, so let's call it queue, and the queue name should be exactly the same, push to queue. Okay, so click on OK. So what it does, it will push our data into the push to queue. So the word queue is repeated twice. So let's jump on to core plus test. Again we will be using the old snippet, and okay, so just before sending the response, what we can do is like append a string to it. We will say push into queue, and again we are going to append the name from either the body or the query parameter. So let's save this. Okay, I made a small mistake, and this was like the binding. We renamed the value to queue. So let's save it again. And let's test and run this again from browser and call this all okay, or just maybe to write push to queue. And let's run this, run. And now like it worked, and now we need to look at our storage account. So now this time we will go to the storage account, and within this we have another section, queue service. So let's see whether our queue is created or not. Yes, so this is our queue, push to queue. So there must be one record in there. Yes, as you can see, push to queue, push to queue. So now let's push another record in there, and I'm going to call it YouTube. Click on run. So now there must be two records within the queue. Yeah, so let's see. Oh, it worked. So this is our second record that got queued in there. So I hope you understood the output binding via blob queue storage. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.